In today's class, I am going to deliver my lecture, understood, on two different topics, okay, together. One is the
The
waste,
wastewater story,
wastewater story,
basic concept of chemistry,
wastewater story. Another is basic
concepts
concept
of
of
chemistry.
chemistry, okay. First of all, I want to start basic concepts of chemistry, okay. What is chemistry? If you are asked a question, what is chemistry? Where is your phone? Why are you keeping it there? Because I need you to answer all the questions. I have already sent you all the questions, right? Though I haven't sent the answers, sometimes it is almost not actually. You can't read the questions on the board. Is that clear? So I want you to tell me what is chemistry. Chemistry
Chemistry is
is
a
a
science
science. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a
science
science
that
that
studies
studies
matter and
matter
how
and
it
how it
changes.
changes. Understood? Because it is because of chemistry we have got thousands of inventions. It is because of chemistry we have got a modern world to live in, right? Because we have you know learned about chemical change, physical change, right? And we have made new inventions. Understood? Okay, fine. What is matter?
Everything
Anything that has mass
and occupies
and
space.
takes up space or occupies space. Thank you. That's like a very good girl. You are really one of the best. Hmm. Okay, fine. Now listen to me very carefully. Define states of matter. A matter has got three states, right? What are they?
Solid,
Solid,
liquid,
liquid,
and
gas.
gases.
Understood? Because like when water is a solid form of water is a solid, clear, liquid form, solid form, or gaseous form. Water is liquid, right? But ice is what? Ice is solid, and when it is water vapor, this is gaseous. Understood? So water has got, so the matter has got three different states. Name the three states of matter. Are you confused? It's very easy.
Fixed shape,
Solid, solid.
fixed volume.
I'm telling you. See, yeah, solid. Three states of matter. What are the name three states of matter?
Solid, liquid, gas.
Gas. Is that clear? Very good. Now, what is atom?
The
It is the
smallest
easier, the
particle of matter.
smallest particle
Of matter.
of matter. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter. Is that clear? So, what is, again, I want to ask you the question. What is atom?
The smallest
The
particles.
smallest. I have not heard the word the smallest. Okay, superlative degree. The smallest. Because if it is superlative degree,
Particle
small,
of
smaller,
matter.
smallest. Understood? So you have this. You need to use the article the before it. The smallest particle of any matter or matter. Understood? Is called atom. Clear? Now, the another very important question I want to ask you: what are the molecules? Give an example. What are the
Two or
molecules?
more atoms.
Two or more atoms
Atoms
joined
joined together.
together. Understood? Two or more atoms joined together.
Together.
Molecules. Okay. All right. If I give the example, what example do you think you can get? What example? Hello. I want you to give an example. What is it? H2O, one atom of oxygen, two atoms of hydrogen. Is it a molecule?
Oxygen molecule.
Understood? Clear?
Water molecule.
Water molecule. That is water molecule. So, molecule when two or more
Two or more atoms
atoms
joined together.
joined together. Understood? That is called molecule. Like H2O. One atom of oxygen, two atoms of hydrogen make up water. Is that clear? That is water molecule. Clear? Okay, fine. May I go to the next question? The next question is uh, define element. What is What is element?
A pure substance made
A
of
pure
only
substance.
one type of atom.
A
Example:
pure
gold,
substance.
iron, oxygen.
Oh, very good. A pure substance made of only one type of element. Why don't you tell me again? What is element?
A pure
A pure
substance
substance
made
made
of
of
only
made of
only of
only
only
made of only one type
one type
of.
of atom.
Understood? One type of atom. If it is gold, gold atom.
Example:
Understood?
gold, iron, oxygen.
Gold, iron, oxygen. Is that clear? Okay, if I go to the next question. What is the next question? The next question is
Define compounds.
what
Define
is
compound.
define compounds. Okay. I want you to define compounds. Is that clear? Define compound now.
A substance made when two or more elements combine.
Yeah, a substance. A substance.
Example:
What?
water, HO2.
Then compounds. What have you said? Again, repeat. When
When
two or more substance.
since
Mm,
a substance made when two or more
as
elements combine.
a substance made when two or more elements combine. Is that clear? It is a combination of two or more elements. Understood? That is compound. Very good. What is chemical reaction?
When substances
Change.
to form new
A new
substance.
substance.
Example:
When
iron plus
substance
oxygen, rust.
iron plus oxygen rust. I'm
rust.
telling you, see, if there is a iron, suppose iron rod is there, maybe you have got a grill gate, understood? Or rainwater falls, understood, on the surface of the grill, understood? As a result, you see sometimes, the surface of the grill gate, the upper portion, understood, of the grill, clear? You can see some rust, understood? Why 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 do you see rust? It is because of the presence of what? It is because of chemical reaction, clear? Due to the mixture of rainwater with the in presence of oxygen, clear? a new uh, a new substance called rust is formed, understood, on the surface of the grill, understood? Made of iron, clear? Okay, fine. Now I want you to please answer this question. This is very important. What are physical change? Give one example.
No
Physical
new
change.
substance is formed.
No new substance. When no new substance is formed, that is called physical change. Physical change,
Example:
example,
ice.
water changes into ice.
Example:
Water
ice.
changes into ice. If you put water inside the freeze, it will change into water. Understood? And if you heat water, it will turn into vapor, water vapor. Understood? Again, the water vapor. This is how the water vapor is formed. We know the story of how the rainwater comes and how the rainwater, the water vapor goes into the space, condenses and falls back as rain. Understood? We know this story. Now I want you to please tell me, then gas, when the water is heated, it forms water vapor, gas, isn't it? And the liquid form is water, understood? And that is, water is a mixture of two different what? Elements, right? Two different atoms. So what are those atoms? The one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen make up or form water. Is that clear? Now I want you to tell me, define
Mixture and solution.
mixture and solution. Mixture.
Two or more substance mixed but not chemically combined.
Two or more substance mixed but not chemically combined. It means the two things can be separated, like sugar, understood? Look at me, sugar and water, they can be separated again. Sugar and sand and soil. What are the examples? Can you give me two examples?
Salt plus water
Salt plus water, they can be separated.
and sand plus sugar.
Sand plus
Sugar.
sand plus sugar,
Mm.
they can be separated
Mm.
again. Understood? If it is a mixture. Okay, fine. And what is solution? When one
Solution: a
matter,
special mixture
a
in which one substance
one
dissolves
substance dissolves in
in
another.
another.
It is a special mixture in which one substance dissolves in another. Like I'm telling you, water, clear, salt. You pour the salt into the water, it will dissolve. Pour the sugar into the water, it will dissolve, isn't it? You can't get it back again. But it will be called a solution. Okay, we have got this. Oh, all the question answered. Acha, define mass and volume. Mass is any matter.
Mass: how much matter
How much?
something has.
How much matter a
Matter something has.
anything that you see around you? How much matter it has? Like the chair, the table. How much matter? Understood? It has got. And the volume
Volume: how much space it
it
takes.
takes. Like the chair takes this much space. Understood? That is called volume. Voluminous. Sometimes big voluminous. Okay, fine. Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass.
Matter cannot be created or
Matter cannot be created. Understood? Or
only changed. Only changed.
destroyed.
Destroyed. Only changed.
Matter cannot be created, destroyed, but only be
Changed.
changed. Understood? Clear? That is the law of conservation of mass. Understood? That is called law of conservation of mass. Okay, now it is a very good, topic. Another very important topic, and the topic is what is wastewater story. Actually, we look at the wastewater story. It's a very nice story. See the water from our home. What is that? The wastewater from our home. Understood? What is this wastewater?
Wastewater: dirty water that
The
comes from school,
dirty water that comes from schools,
homes,
homes,
hospital,
hospitals, factories. Understood?
etc.
Industries are called
are called wastewater story.
water story. And this story, no, if you think of the story, it will be big thing. The water from our home, the factories, hospitals, reach the water treatment plant where they get purified to be used again. Is that clear? This is the story. The story of how the wastewater changes, understood, with the help of water treatment plant into clean drinking, not drinking, clean, reusable, understood, clear water. Okay, fine. Now I want you to see the question number, this question. Oh my God.
What is sewage?
What is waste
Sewage.
water story is good. What is sewage?
Sewage.
And the sewage is dirty water, isn't it? Huh?
Wastewater that contains urine, feces, soap, food waste, chemicals.
The wastewater is what wastewater contains urine,
Urine,
feces, and
food,
stools means
soap,
human. Okay, soap, right?
soap, food waste,
Chemicals also.
chemicals,
Different
and
chemicals
chemicals.
used in the factory and homes as well.
Mm.
Either for cleaning activities or something like that.
Mm.
They are all waste, isn't it? Your phone will fall and break. So stand straight. Do you feel that leaning will do you good? It's not good to lean against anything. Understood? Act smart. Try to, hold your head high and stand erect or straight. Okay, now another very important question. Explain about the sewage system. What does the sewage system do?
A network
A
of
network of
underground pipes that carries wastewater to the
a
sewage
network of
treatment plant.
a network of water pipes that carries wastewater. Understood? Wastewater, sewage water. Understood? Sewage or water that contains Understood? Darts and all. Clear? Chemicals, effaces like foam also. Understood? That carries it from our factories, homes, schools, and hospitals, factories to the water treatment plant. It is, isn't it? That is, what is that called?
Sewage system.
Sewage system. Understood? Another question is, explain about the sewage system treatment plant.
Plants.
Sewage system treatment plant, what does it do? It treats, understood, what? The sewage from our homes, factories, schools. Clear?
Is cleaned before it is
cleans
released
it.
into
It
rivers
purifies
or
it in
reefs.
this treatment plant to be used again.
Mm.
Understood? And what is the use? What are the uses? Can you tell me? This water, after they got treated, understood, through the with the help of the water treatment plant, they are generally used to water the plants. Understood? To be used in the factory. Understood? Clear? And even they can be used to clean the hospitals and all, isn't it? And to be used in our houses for washing, understood, clothes. Okay. How sewage system, how sewage
Sewage
is
is
cleaned?
cleaned.
What are the, there are many, steps. Step number one, screening, right?
Screening.
Screening. What is screening?
Screening is big objects like sticks, rags, plastic are removed.
Sticks, rags, and plastics. This
Mm.
system is used to, understood, pick or separate what? Separate sticks, then wrapper, then rags, then plastic from the wastewater, isn't it? That goes to the treatment plant, or that reaches the treatment plant through a network of water pipes, isn't it? Okay, fine. Now, how it is cleaned? The step number two. What is this? Step number two.
Grit removal.
Grit removal. What are grits? Grits are what? Stones, soils,
Sand.
sand. How?
Settle down.
They settle down. Clear? Why do they settle down? It is, this is, they settle down because they are grits. But their the settling down is known as something. What is that? Slug. What is slug? Hello? SLUGG. What is the spelling?
SLUDG.
SLUDG.
G.
Sludge. Okay. What is this? It is because
Heavy weights settle down.
yeah,
Heavy weights settle down.
they settle down due to their heavy weights. Understood? Because water is a liquid, they settle down at the bottom. Okay. But there is another thing that float on the surface of the water. What is that? Oils, right? Oils flow, and there are two, ways to clean them. How do they get separated from? How do the oily substances get separated from the water, and how do the this sludge get separated in the water treatment plant? When the scum is separated, what? Why?
Light
How?
oils float on top.
Yeah.
Light oils float on top.
As oil float on top, it is quite difficult to separate them from water, isn't it? But it is very easy to pick up these things called sand and all, isn't it? As they settle down at the bottom of the liquid, isn't it? Now, fine, go on. And what is another? The first is screening. The second is, hello. Second is,
Sedimentation.
no. Second is grit removal.
Grit removal.
Third is
Third is
sedimentation.
sedimentation.
What is sedimentation? We have read about sedimentation or sedimentary rocks in your geography book, right? Sediments are the thing that settle down. Understood? Why? Due to the gravitation of the earth. Generally, these are the things that will settle down at the bottom of liquid. Understood? Even when they move. Understood? These things cannot float in the water. Isn't it? Like the oils or foams and all. Isn't it? Bubbles, they fall, they float. Understood? There, this is because of their chemical nature or something like that. Anyway, now I want you to please answer this question. You have understood this. And then, what is the next question? Last but not the least, why sewage treatment plant is important?
Protect rivers and lakes, present diseases, keeps water safe for animals, plants, and humans.
So, it is very important. Number one, if you keep this understood, it is harm. If you release this water, suppose if you don't have a drain, if the drainage system is not good, whatever, if you have open drain, all the people will dump what, all these things, open drains, they can turn into breeding grounds, understood, of the mosquitoes, that's spread different diseases like cholera, malaria, dengue, isn't it? And many people lose their lives. This is why sewage system is very important, isn't it? So this is the reason, this very topic is very important. You keep your society clean. What is this? Suppose if you even eat a something, if you have the wrapper, understood? If you where will you drop the wrapper? You must not forget to dump it into the dustbin. And if you do it, what is this? If you are throwing the wrapper just outside your house, what does it mean? You are killing yourself. There is a tendency to kill yourself. You are darting, or you are darting. You are keeping your own in the environment, your own house. You have dropped something in the veranda. I have just seen you doing it. Understood? You should not do it because the place where you live should be kept clean. It is your own place, and if it is not kept clean, how can you use it again? Isn't it? So, with this, we come to the end of this class. I hope you have liked my class. If you have liked, please don't forget to give me a like. Bye.